What's going on, everybody there? We're going to be looking at Whalestream tonight. I've got a link there. If you click on the podcast, you should see that information. That's actually going to be wellstream.com /invite, INVITE, then /technotwerps, TECHNOTWERPS. Again, www.wellstream.com /invite /technotwerps. Please sure to sign up for your trial there and the pricing options available at this time. So I'm going to get the screen going here as well. It'll be just a moment. Hello. Good evening, everyone. We are going full screen right now and looking at, I guess you can just bookmark that right here. Is that right? What's doing? So, and I'm using a browser. I'm using Orion. I don't know if it's on Windows or if it's just Mac. I'm not really sure. That's the browser we're going to use anytime we're looking shit up and doing shit here. We're going to be using this browser. I like the new stuff. I like the fun stuff. Let's keep it fun with this browsers thing going here, okay? He's got a new browser, folks. Browsers are exciting, exciting, exciting. The thing that brings enjoyment to your search on the web. It's the browser. So, looking at Wellstream.com. What is Wellstream.com? It is an unusual, mostly, okay, there's some other features here as well, but it is a unusual options flow scanner. So, it's going to scan. I mean, there's probably more information I'm going to cover here, and that, I'm sure there's lots of stuff on the website to check out as well. Buy flow, sell flow, merge flow. Okay, so this is nice, but this is the layout, and I've used this before, just recently got back into it here. Let's move the shit over just a smidgen past the button here. We're going to move it past the button. And if you're on the screen share, that's a website to go to when you're watching this video. I should be posting it as well on there as a clickable link. But you see that www.wellstream.com /invite /technotwerps. Help me, help you, help you, help me. That's what I say. I say that quite often. We're going to have a lot of fun and powwows. We're going to get more serious when we do the review. So if you see a software review, we're in it to win it. We're here. We're ready to go. And we're going to first look at your buttons across the top. You're going to see the well flow sentiment. So that's the sentiment on the market. Call flow and put flow, easily accessible, quick and easy to analyze. Look, hey, here's what's going on. All right, so we're looking at a dollar. Are you looking at the dollar amount or, okay, call flow bought premium. So the contracts, is that right? I believe I've got maybe a filter going on here. Let's get out of our filter. Actually, I'm not on a filter. I don't think. It still looks like I'm on SPX. Maybe it's the symbol that I'm on. Okay, I'm just going to click on a few things. It's sort of fun. I got myself, so there's some VIX, there's some other shit, so it just wasn't that. Just sort of threw me off there for a minute. Okay, 10. So you'd actually would want to get out of that bullshit, and you'd want to go back to this. So that's 4-4. That's why some of this stuff actually was trading after the bell. Confused me for a minute. Actually, usually after the bell, you're only going to see this kind of shit being traded. And before the market closed, you would have saw, like that was the last order of the day right here. So on Apple. And let's say, so you've got watch list, you can build a watch list, you want to look at historical flow, you can go back in time. You can download this, you can filter. I'm putting the symbol you want right here. and you can filter into that. You've got a lot of preferences. That's going to be on a different video. Quite a few things you can do here now. And you can also manage my watch list, set alerts, and things of this nature. You're also going to see here on the side, you're going to have a pull out in case you want to look at dark pool volume and give you that kind of information here as well. And sort of a mirror image of this. And when you're looking at one of these strikes here, let's just go back up to the top. Say I'm interested in looking at learning more about this. Just whatever I saw, something that looked cool. There's something that sparked my interest here. And first and foremost, if you just want to filter about symbol, you can click on that. You get filtered by index only. Right? That's cool. Very cool. Show you that's in the money now. You can filter by day volume. Look at that. Click off of that actually. I believe we're off. Are we still on it or are we off of it now? Okay, we're off. Split, you can do all kinds of filters just by clicking on that. If you see it, sort of hover, reported late, but in the correct sequence. Minimum contracts written 80, late. So that was a report, late report. Okay. Splits. Now you're going to have here also, when you click on this, you can get your chart going. I'm not sure if I have my LinkedIn here or not. I assume. No, actually I do. Yeah. I'll do that later. But that's sort of cool. You can have your trading view, and if you subscribe to it, you can log in. It'll show you how to copy like your layout. That's just a little simple layout that I have. Now let's go ahead and throw this side by side because you're going to be using both these because that's where it links. So I'm not endorsing any particular charting program. It's just how it links. Although there's some cool stuff going over there. Some very cool things going on over there. All right, so what would I have to do here? I think I'd have to change my view. So anyway, let's get back out of this. We'll just do a toggle and leave it at that. Gonna do a toggle and leave it at that. See, but if you're looking at this or whatever, then you click on this, you're going to notice it's just going to change to back here. So that's the SPI. I mean, if I was to scroll down here quite a bit and click on some other shit like Apple, and I believe is that Apple? So then you click on that. Not sure where I brought a new chart. I guess each symbol will bring its own chart. So it'll bring its chart up like this. I'm not sure if you could, for instance, do that and if it saves that or not. I don't know if it's a quirk. It may not save that. Yeah, it saved it. It actually did save it. So if you have it do like that, you just want it to go up here real quickly. Now, I guess when you change symbols, it's going to pop out a new chart. So you got to do that each and every time, it looks like. See, look at that. Zoosh. You know, click on it. Now, that's for the underlying. So you're going to have that, and you can set up your charting and things in there. Let's click on this as well. Analyze with Market Tracker. So that's their own tracking information here, and it's going to show you some information about dark pool equity support and resistance levels. Show you big blocks of orders and things that came in. And if you scroll down here, you're actually going to get, just taking a second to draw, you're going to get a little bit different information here as well. Dark pool public equity, key pricing levels you're going to see, open interest trends, news that'll show up here, and I believe that's what you get mainly on this page. Let's go ahead and get back off of here, and that again by clicking this one right here, right? Is that what I just clicked? No, okay, that was actually the other one. So when you click on that, that actually takes you into that symbol options for the day. So you want to do sales flow order flow. I'll show you these things right here. If you want to see the flow, you want to see a chart right here. That'll actually show you now, which is cool. I like it. Not sure if I can change the time frame here or not. Change if I can change any of these things around. What's this? So it what saves a snap or something here? Yeah, so it just saves a snap of it, I guess. So I didn't notice that before. That's cool. Dark pool and equity levels. You can get those down there at the bottom as well. So it looks like that's the. What is this? What am I looking at when I look at this? Okay, so I'm on this put here, for instance. I'm just not quite sure what I'm seeing. What's the time frame on this? Okay, I don't know. I guess you click on company, I give you some company information here as well. So it's turning into a really cool overall research software. In addition to having the order flow, all your preferences for changing the kind of things that you want to filter. I just want to do another video on getting to the preferences. And you're also going to do top flow. And it'll show you the top orders on all sides, on both sides, or for the calls and the puts. And then your top open interest here as well. IPO calendar, self-explanatory. It'll tell you when it is. I don't know if it says before or after market. Maybe there needs to be a thing right here or something. You can't click on any of it, but that's the earnings. You want a quick glance at your earnings. You can do that. I believe I already went through market news. Got its own news integration here with different pages. So sort of a cool page you get in. You can search. Let's say if I wanted to go AAPL, I could do a quick search right here. Zhing. All right, so that's what that is. IPO calendar. We already had your earnings as well. That'll show you some of the upcoming new stocks at the market. Some learn options and resources. And then the latest what's new button here as well. Is on October 24th. They've in separate tabs. So you can go through those updates as well. But what happens is the order just flows. If you need a breakdown of what order flow is, we can do that another time. You've also got a member Discord there as well. So a lot of value. I believe it's about $70. I believe I'd have to make sure before I open my mouth. But I believe it is about that price. Very much less than most of the major competition and things out there. So just want to take a gander there at that, and we'll be back another time soon. Thanks for joining in, and we'll see you after a while. And appreciate you joining me. I believe I'm off there. I'm getting off speaker as well. Appreciate you joining though. And again, it's Whalestream. It's an unusual options flow software application for getting more information to easily access actionable trades on the options market and real-time data showing when those orders are coming in. Talk to you more soon.